Welcome back to another AI tutorial video. In this video I am going to turn my image into this cartoony trendy image. Alright, without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, go to browser and search stylar.ai website. Sign up with Google or email. Now let's move on to a new project. As you can see, this is a very simple web page. First you will need to import your image. So let's import this picture and then resize it while. Here, select the style you want your image to be in. Now that we have pressed this tiny button, it will describe the picture, and this description is so accurate, my goodness. Alright, next thing we are going to do, we will select the naive cute style. And press on it. If we want the cartoony look, these two sliders allow us to. And this is the side's intensity. If I want the final image to reassemble image as closely as possible, then let's styles and watch the magic happen. Alright. This is output, which is good enough for me. I believe. Now let's press into this picture and onto the canvas. Alright. The mode and image look fantastic for now. But of course this is not an original picture. What is this solution? Here at Stylar our work is done. So let's export this picture after scaling it up to 3 times, and I will just save this preview of this image. Let's simply export it. Now the next thing we will do is visit this website artguru.ai, and we will utilize it to replace the face with the one from the image we created. Now let's upload the image we created into the upload image field and press swap face. Okay, that's great. Let's download this picture to see how it turns out. Okay, that's quite nice. And this is the finished picture, and this one was produced by the Stylar website. And you can see the result. It is very cool and attractive. Thank you so much for watching. Remember me in your prayers. Bye bye.